What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize the confirmation message after form submission using WPForms. So imagine the following scenario. You have this form right here and you have completed the form, just like this, okay? And you submit the form. It does appear this green message that is quite random. How to customize this message colors in order to match with your site design colors, all into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name, plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance, and hit the menu customize. In the case that your theme don't have the customize option, you can install a plugin to apply custom CSS, for example, the WP code, okay? But most of the themes have customize option. Once on customize, you can click on additional CSS. Your theme may have this into another section, but by default, all themes have this. Into additional CSS, you're gonna copy the code that I'm gonna leave into the video description or into the first comment of the video, the pin comment, okay? So you can copy the code. What this code does, okay? Success message box. I want a soft pink background, okay? So div WP confirmation, here's the color, very light pink background, border color, dark gray text. Then we can use a high contrast link, okay? And the hover effect. After doing this, we're gonna hit the publish button. Now, let's try again. As you can see, we have now the text centered and the light being the light pink and the border with brighter pink. How to change this? You can locate the colors right here. There are Excel codes, okay? You can click on the colors, go to Google, pick another color, for example, this blue, this green color, and place it just like this. But there is an easier solution. Copy your code, go to Gemini or go to ChatGPT and ask, change the colors to blue, for example. Place the code. And here is the new code. Copy the colors, place right here, publish the change. Let's try again. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!